So I know a lot of people are always asking like why, like how do I get into research? And I feel like one of the best things to do that is just talk to the people that you know, talk to your mentors. One of the main reasons why I got into Emerson Lab was because of my bio like 102 TA, Denise. Being in the Emerson Lab was just like, I think was one of the highlights of my undergrad. The environment is just amazing. Everybody there is very helpful, and I just feel very lucky to be a part of that lab.
And very supportive. I was interested in participating in research because it's a way to apply what you learn in class, but in a practical sense, so you can physically do it like in a wet lab.
When I started undergrad, I knew that I wanted to go on to higher education, but I didn't think that medical school was the right fit for me, so I wanted to explore my other options. And doing research has helped me realize that I feel very comfortable in a lab environment, and I'm planning to do a PhD focusing on genetics.
Once I got involved in my current lab, and over the course of the 2 years, I realized that I do enjoy research, and I think I'm pretty decent at it. But after I went to Abercams and won an award, that sort of cemented in my mind that, hey, maybe I do have some potential in this field. Maybe I should just run with it, you know?
Right, so the research was a bit of computer work plus science. Personally, I've liked a lot of computer work, mainly because of my hobby of video games, just modifying them and everything. So it was a bit of combining computer work and science, something that, well, I'm majoring in, for example.
But I'm definitely a little more curious about the field and potentially launching clinical trials with eye movements of patients that might be suffering from disorders that affects their eyes in the future. I didn't know much about this field before, but I just learned doing this CAD research that it is something that can be an indication of potential neurodegenerative disorders. This gives me the opportunity to work with live subject participants and record eye movements, which I think are a cool concept in itself, but it's even cooler to be able to talk about it with other people.
Well, I would like to keep pursuing research, but in a different field, actually, because of personal experiences with cancer. I would like to go as an MD PhD in oncology and in general just research different cancer treatments, ways of giving people more time whenever they have really harsh cancers in general.